Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, FWD-200B developmental trials. Suhas Tejaskanda, founder of Flying Wedge Defense and Aerospace, has announced the imminent commencement of developmental trials for the FWD-200B. This drone, touted as India's first indigenously developed bomber UAV, has garnered significant attention. The company initially faced criticism for unveiling a low-cost mock-up model of the FWD-200B, constructed with materials like wood and steel instead of real prototype. FWD-200B fuselage was also seen a bit on the chunky side, with a large fuselage volume without clear explanation for such large fuselage volume. Next, BBBS, that is Big Bang Boom Solution, impresses Oman Royal Air Force with live demo of anti-drone system. Indian defense startup Big Bang Boom Solutions recently conducted a successful live demonstration of their man-portable Vajra Sentinel system for senior officials of the Royal Air Force of Oman. This showcase highlights India's growing prowess in indigenous defense solution. The Vajra Sentinel system is designed to address the burgeoning threat of drones in modern warfare. Next, IAF plans to become 100% Indian fleet. The Indian Air Force is undergoing a significant modernization effort with plans to simplify its fighter jet fleet in the coming decades. Currently, the IAF operates a diverse range of aircraft, including MiG-21s, Mirage 2000s, Jaguar, MiG-29s, Rafales, and Su-30 MKIs. This variety presents logistical and training challenges. The IAF aims to streamline its fleet to just 5 fighter jet types within the next 20 years. This will involve the gradual phasing out of older jets like the MiG-21, Mirage 2000 and Jaguar, and MiG-29. Next, HAL eyes on Argentinian deal for Prachand and LUH helicopters. HAL is setting its sight on a potential helicopter deal with Argentina following the South American nation's decision to acquire American F-16 fighter jets instead of the Indian Tejas. This comes after a promising visit in 2022 where a high-level Argentinian delegation led by Lieutenant General Juan Martin Palio, Joint Chief of the Staff of the Argentinian Armed Forces, toured HAL facilities in Bangalore. Next, AIP hurdle slows P-75I progress. India's most critical submarine acquisition project, Project 75I or Project 75 India, faces fresh delays due to a hurdle related to a key criteria. Potential foreign vendors are struggling to meet this requirement, impacting the project's timeline. The program aims to construct 6 advanced conventional submarines with superior sensors, weapons, and a vital technology, air-independent propulsion. Next, Azad Engineering gearing up for global supply chain of F404 and F414 engines. Azad Engineering, a Hyderabad-based precision engineering firm, has secured a significant contract with India's gas turbine research establishment under DRDO. This deal tasks Azad with the end-to-end manufacturing, assembling, and integration of a completely assembled advanced turbo gas generator engine. Next, S-400 faces challenges in Ukraine. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has put Russia's S-400 air defense system under intense scrutiny. with frequent strikes by advanced Western missiles like Storm Shadows and ATACMS, the S-400 capabilities are being questioned. These developments prompt a critical evaluation of whether India made the right decision in acquiring the high-profile air defense system or not. Next, gearing up for the future with new infrastructure. The Visakhapatnam Naval Dockyard, a crucial hub for the Indian Navy on the eastern coast, is undergoing a significant infrastructure upgrade. Recent satellite imagery reveals ongoing construction of a modern integration and assembly facility, hinting at potential support for future nuclear submarine production. Additionally, the completion of an auxiliary weapon handling what marks a vital step in servicing the Indian Navy's ballistic missile submarine and submersible missile test barge. Next, Pravaha. ISRO develops CFD software for aerodynamic design and analysis. The computational fluid dynamics, that is CFD software, parallel RANS solver for aerospace vehicle aerothermodynamic analysis Pravaha is developed in VSSC to simulate external and internal flows on launch vehicles, winged and non-winged re-entry vehicles. Initial aerodynamic design studies for launch vehicles demand evaluation of a large number of configurations. Any aerospace vehicle, while moving through the Earth's atmosphere during launch or re-entry, is subjected to severe aerodynamic and aerothermal loads in terms of external pressure and heat flux. Next, steel cutting ceremony for first NG offshore patrol vessel of ICG. The steel cutting ceremony for the first next generation offshore patrol vessels, that is NGOPV, took place at Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited in Mumbai in the presence of Indian Coast Guard officials on May 31st. The Ministry of Defence had in December 2023 signed a contract with MDL for the procurement of 6 NGOPVs for the ICG at a total cost of rupees 1,614.89 crore. The project aims to bolster the capabilities in coastal and offshore patrol, safeguard maritime zones, and enhance operational efficiency. Thank you.